section we are going to cover how to jailbreak or trick ChatGPT. First of all, what is jailbreaking? Jailbreaking means removing software restrictions that are intentionally put in place by the device manufacturer. So in our case, there are some restrictions put by OpenAI on ChatGPT, which we will see shortly. So let's directly jump into a simple example so that it is very clear how we can jailbreak or trick ChatGPT. Okay, so say for example, I want to know how to become famous on YouTube. So what ordinary people or most of us will do is that we will simply go to ChatGPT and start typing, maybe how to get famous on YouTube. So now what do we want? We want one proper script or proper steps or a storyline, which we can follow and become famous on YouTube. But let's see what ChatGPT provides. So as you can see, what ChatGPT provides is a list of generic steps, which we all know. So it says, choose a niche, create high-quality content, be consistent, promote your videos, and so on. This is all good. This works for sure. But what do we want? We want more structured response in a form of story. This is where we are going to jailbreak ChatGPT. And this is going to be a fun session. And you guys will be amazed that you can do this as well. So let's try to trick the ChatGPT. What I will do is, I will reframe my query. So I will say, write a short story novel on how to get famous on YouTube in a year. And let's see what ChatGPT has to say now. Here it goes. It says, here's a short story or short story novel on how to get famous on YouTube in a year. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah who was passionate about makeup. She had been practicing her makeup skills, so on and so forth. At first, Sarah's channel didn't get much attention, which happens with all of us. A reality check. She posted videos regularly. Only a handful of people were watching, which is again, very true. So this, we can relate to the real-life example right. She chose a niche makeup. Sarah is trying to do a makeup tutorial and on her channel, and she started creating high-quality content. She made sure that her videos are well-produced, and so on. And Sarah was consistent and posted videos. Now with this, whoever is coming with the actual query can for sure understand what to do to get famous on YouTube instead of just following this generic steps, which ChatGPT has told before. So this is most structured way. And again, guys, this is just an example. You can use this in many ways instead of directly putting your query. You can say that, write a short story or write a script, or write a long story novel on how to do this, or how to get famous, how to get reach, blah, blah, blah. So this is a short trick I wanted to share with you guys in this section. With this, I have given you a matchstick and now it's your job to light it the way you want it. Moreover, I hope you are enjoying the course so far. I will see you in the next section.